These days, you are constantly surrounded by software. It's in the obvious things like Minecraft and Instagram, but less obvious things too, like the software that tells the stoplight to turn red, that helps doctors find cancer, that buys and sells stock, or tells your microwave how long to cook your popcorn. But no matter how different it looks, all software has something in common. It's all made by cats. Just kidding, it's all made by people. While TV and movies probably have you thinking software gets made by antisocial geniuses who live in their mother's basement, this couldn't be further from the truth. Making software is highly collaborative, requiring lots of different skills to come out with a successful project. Let's take a look at all the jobs that go into making software. It all centers around the person who will eventually use the software. What are their needs and wants, their likes and dislikes? It's up to user researchers to dig into many people's feedback and reveal insights. Product managers take those insights and weigh them against business opportunities. They prioritize ideas that will have the biggest impact for users and the company. Interaction or user experience designers take these ideas and imagine how they will appear in the app. They build prototypes or fake rough drafts of new features that they can test with users to make sure they're usable. Content strategists are writers with passion for making information in an app easy to understand and find. Visual designers not only make the app look beautiful, but also ensure the right information is highlighted so the app can be easily understood. Once everything is planned, tested, and designed, the engineers can start building it. Back-end developers build the underlying system the app depends on. They help ensure all parts of the app communicate quickly and consistently, and ultimately don't crash or lose data. Front-end developers build the interface that the user touches. They make sure the app looks and works right. Once the developers think they're done, quality assurance analysts try everything they can think of to break the new feature. They want to find all the bugs before the feature gets out to users. Test developers have similar goals, but they write code to do the breaking. Once everyone thinks the new feature is ready to go, it gets released as an update to the user, and the process starts all over again. Maybe improving that feature or discovering something new to work on. The whole team works together with lots of different skills, interests, and backgrounds to make sure the best software gets built. So what apps will you help build?